Well, this is a little sad because this is the first flying fox that we've got in for this season's netting season. And Luella just rescued this lovely girl this evening. Luella, what happened?
She was caught in a large aperture fruit tree netting over a mulberry tree. And she was very well caught in just about all parts of her body, both wings, her face, her lower body, but fortunately not really, really tight in any of those places.
So we're predicting a really positive outcome for Marie.
Marie, yeah.
And if you can just see, poor Marie's been, sorry, this is very good, had a little bit of netting around her mouth. So she's cut her lip on both sides. But that'll heal up very quickly. And Luella's now taking her home to put her in a nice warm humidity crib and give her lots of fluid. And I'm sure that she'll be feeling a lot better tomorrow after a good night's sleep. So please never use any anti-bird netting that you can poke a finger through. Instead choose shade cloth type netting. So it's a much smaller aperture, you can't put your finger through it and no bats get caught in it. It's really important, especially at this time of the year, because we've got a lot of pregnant mums around. And we really want to avoid large-scale entrapment this year that usually happens. So let's all get the word out and make sure that if you see anybody with that large aperture stuff, that you have a word to them and give them a bit of education so we can change this once and for all. Say good night, Marie. Oh, what's that? There's a big noise.